Yung invitation sa akin dito came from the guardian at the top ng labyrinth. So, sasadyain ko muna siya. I can hear so many voices right now. Nalawak sa kamay ko. Nandito na yung mga tribe ng mga small people. They are moving about here. Sa spot na to. Mayroong kakaakyat lang dun sa stairs. Yes. May humawak ulit sa kamay ko. May mga naririnig akong nag-uusap. Dito sa spot na to, when you stand here, nararamdaman nyo yung energy that's coming from the ground. It's moving up your body. Nakatayo doon. Niya, nasa sayo, sorry na ako magaling magtagalog. So the universe is inside of you. Don't stop the flow of energy. Go with where the energy flows. Lalakad. It's nice kasi the message is all about finding the strength in stillness. When you are still, when you are calm, that's when you are strongest. He said, you can't fight the explosion with chaos or movement. If you find the calm, the explosion stops. Sa palad ko, nakita niya sa akin, sabi niya, this is how the cosmos looks like. So he showed me like a marble, a medium-sized marble, siguro mga ganito. I think this is about 2 inches radius, 1.5 to 2 inches radius of a ball, parang marble. Sabi niya, look at this is how the cosmos looks like, and this is also inside of you. Yung pag-focus daw ng energy is not what you think you need to do right now, or that what you want to happen. The way you should focus your energy is in where you want to get to. So yun yung ibig niyang sabihin with flow where the energy takes you. It's almost similar to manifestation, where they say you can't manifest anything that you can't see ahead of you. So in the same manner, if you want positive energy to flow, and for you to flow along with that positive energy, you need to move along, parang it's get your body, the whole body moving towards where you're looking at. So if you know where you're going, then you don't have to bother with what you need right now, with what you want. It's like a funnel. Parang at this point, this is the widest point where you have a variety of options, you have a variety of actions to take, decisions to make, but just look at where you want to get to. Yeah. My guide is telling me it's just like archery. You don't have to bother with how, but if you focus your mind and your sight to what or which part you want to hit, you will hit it. That's actually how bare bow instinctive archery works. No? So my guide knows how to explain things to me in a way that I understand, because I'm an archer also. But yeah. I just love the energy here. Lahat ng pagod, lahat ng puyat before getting here and everything, they're just like tights, to where you have to go to. Just stay up if you wanna go somewhere. Ano pa ako tinatawag nito? I should go. Thank you po. Thank you, Jesus. Oo nga eh. Ganda na niya oh. Sarado ba to? Kung bukas pinaakit tayo dyan eh. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Uy, guys. No, the sun.
Ha?
The sun.
Ah, talaga?
Ay, diba?
Ay, saan?
Oo.
Wow, kasi hindi na nasusum sa akin eh.
Sabi sa akin, tumingin eh. Oh my God, ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Sa'yo nasusum dito, hindi nasusum.
Ay, talaga? Oh, ayo, wala atang zoom dyan.
Ah, ang ganda. Cellphone ko na lang kaya. Ang ganda.
Ganda oh.
Ang ganda na view.
I have never seen anything like this.
Gamitin mo. Ay, picture mo.
Oo, oo, ganda. Laging ganda.
Sakto yung accept natin.
Oo. Kasi sabi nga sa akin ni Itong Ciudad Verdadero is like my huge selenite plate. Teka, baka gumulong ako dyan. Kunan mo ako habang gumugulong. Ay, wala nga eh.
Nakakatin ako.
Natakot ka din. Ako din, slight.
Hindi ka naman gumapang. Nakakatin ako eh. Ito na mag-camera ko na. Ito mga solutions mo para
May nakasalubong sa atin na babae na parang nakasarong. Babae nakasarong ng blue. Blue na may design. Yeah, ito po. We're just watching our steps. Because, oh my God. Wow. Yun, so as I was saying, Ciudad Verdadero is like my selenite plate. Huge selenite plate. Why does... I don't know if you can see this, pero may humahawak sa kamay ko. May nakahawak sa kamay ko, honestly. Para siyang huge selenite plate for me. I feel like I'm recharged. Oh, wow. Hey, how are you? How have you been? Ito si Baby Boulder. Andun sa taas yung saan? Ayun. Doon sa taas yung older na rock. Pero both of these rocks, they speak and they vibrate. They, according to how best others describe it, no? Humihinga. No, but nagpapulsate. yung energy niya actually. When you put your hands on the rock, pwede kayong makakuha ng visions, pwede kayong maka-pick up ng messages. Ayan, si Baby Boulder. Si Baby Boulder, madalas nakakausap ko to telepathically, even when I'm in Manila, no? Especially kung meron lang siyang gustong sabihin or gustong i-share. Lately, hindi maganda yung vision na nakita ko, but instead of focusing on that, sabi nga ni Mr. Guide dun sa taas, no? And also, him, this little guy over 1,000 years old, parang don't focus your energy on things that are negative. I-divert mo siya into looking at the positive things, positive side of things, para you can direct the energy of flow also. It's like in yoga, no? Kasi I used to teach, where your eyes go, your body will follow. So in the same manner, where you direct your energy towards is where your essence will flow into. So, ganun din siya in the same manner. Parang manifesting yan eh. Sa rule of manifestation, hindi ka pwedeng mag-manifest ng something that you cannot see for yourself, you cannot believe in for yourself. So, kailangan maniwala ka muna. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, I want to have a mansion in 2030, gano'n. Na hindi mo nakikita inside your head. You have to firmly see it, visualize it, feel it, accept it like it's the new truth, gano'n. So, in the same manner, no, kapag wala kang focus dun sa gusto mong puntahan, wala talagang energy yun. So, yun ang gusto niyang i-share. Say hi. Couple of, I think that last year, no, and a little bit earlier than that, ang sinishare niya sa akin is they've been working on creating portals. And last year, I was here in October. Today, dito sa spot na to, in the same spot, I feel more alien energy, like out of this world energy. There's still the nature part of things, like I'll show you what I'm looking at. So this is the nature part of things, no? It's the physicality, but I can feel that the alien energy is merging with the 3D physical energy dito sa area na to. And this is also why pagpasok namin kanina sa, actually no, hindi lang pagpasok, no, 5.2 kilometers away, naramdaman ko yung pulsating energy of Ciudad. It's so far away at 5.2 kilometers, pero this place just got stronger. Parang nangyari, you know how the feeling of pag nakalubog ka sa sea, no? Diba may waves, no? So, kapag mataas yung tubig, let's say up to your chest, mararamdaman mo pagka nagwo-wave na gano'n, diba parang may push sa chest, diba? Ganon yung manner of pulsating niya. So, at 5.2 kilometers, yung pulsating niya was about 4 seconds interval. Tapos at 3 kilometers, naging 2 seconds na lang siya. Sabi ng guide ko, you must drink water kasi it will help your body, your cells, no, to also follow the vibration. So when you enter Ciudad, you can vibrate along with the higher energy here. So pag tungtong pa lang namin dito sa may entrance, no, sinalubong na kami ng mga crew ni Little Prince. The Little Prince I'm referring to, they look like they're not elves, they're not dwarves. They're just small people. They wear bright green and bright colored clothes. So, winelcome na niya kami. And then, naramdaman ko yung strong pulsating doon sa may chapel. And then, umakyat ako. And then, pagpasok dito, it's even stronger. Sabi ni little rock friend na all of us three seem to have gotten a little bit more sensitive to energy. And honestly, I'm grateful. Marami kasi nakakapunta dito sa syudad, no? They just tend to enjoy nature, the the sounds of the birds, the sounds of the cicadas. They appreciate nature and all, but nothing else beyond that. So it is truly a gift to be able to experience the non-physical beings, the beings that you can't see, but you can definitely feel. But for us, no, we see the beings here. Uy, may bubuli. Sandali ah. Ayun, may bubuli. There you are. Where? Ayun. Did you see? Oh my God, the last time I saw one was, kung mga 6 years old ako. Ayun siya, oh. Nag-channel na si Ray. Actually, habang kausap ko si Baby Boulder sa baba, nakita ko yung may bantay dito na matikas na old man na medyo kulot-kulutin yung buhok. Naka all white siya, pero yung damit niya feels like royalty, na parang knight, no? Meron siyang sword na naka-sheath sa gilid ng waist niya. Ang boots niya hanggang calf, kulay puti. Puti din yung pants. Pero may mga embroider na gold sa damit niya, sa top. Ang na-vibes ko sa kanya, kung madali kong i-explain sa inyo visually, alam niyo yung king sa playing cards, no? Ganun yung itsura niya. But he doesn't have a crown. He looks like a royal knight. Siya yung nagbabantay dito sa taas ng boulder. May nakatingin sa atin doon. He looks like a farmer. This is a human soul. Iba din kasi yung may hawak nitong lugar na to. Yung nag-invite sa atin, yung nagbabantay dito. Oo. thank you for enjoying this experience of Ciudad Verdadero with me. And I hope you found much value in the messages that were shared to me by the guardians of the labyrinth and at the boulder. And maybe just a closing reminder is that I hope that everyone starts to have their own spiritual practice, whatever it may be, that aligns with their soul and their life purpose. And if you ever need some grounding and centering, Ciudad Verdadero beings are always there for you, reminding you and all of us that the universe resides inside each one of us, that there is strength in being steady and calm in whatever is happening around us, that we should trust the process and that everything happens for a reason. So I hope that this has instilled in you the value of a spiritual practice, and that hopefully, if you have one, you can continue that and always listen to your guides.